Are you having problems with the Ingress Timeout error on Instagram? Because if that is so, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to our Instagram app, and now when we are on our Instagram app, then what we need to do first is to log into our Instagram account, and then we should actually come to this page right here. What we need to do in here is to click on the three lines. So click on the three lines in the top right corner. And as you can see, we're now taken here. What I need to do in here is to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. And in here, we're just going to scroll down. And then we need to click where it says help. So click on help in here. And in here, we need to click where it says report a problem. And then once again, click where it says report a problem, as you can see. And we can click where it says include and continue in here. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. What we actually need to do in here is to write something like this to Instagram. So I'm going to write something like this. I am having issues with the Ingress Timeout error on my Instagram account. Please help me to fix this. So basically write something like this, and then when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. So click on send in the top right corner. And perfectly, as you can see, you have now actually reported this problem to Instagram. What will happen now is that Instagram will take a look at what you have actually written to them, and after that they should actually, hopefully fix this issue for you, right? It's no 100% guarantee that this will work, but this is probably like the best way to actually fix this, because you actually report this problem to Instagram and hopefully they will look at it and fix this for you. So basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.